Now the next question is we have to count nodes in a binary tree. All right. So the logic will be exactly same, just like we have calculated the height of a tree. But we just have to keep on increment the counter to count the number of nodes. Right. So the first thing is we will create a function count node and then binary tree integer and root. All right. So now if we check again that if root is double equals to null, so we will return 0 from here. Okay, so we will take a counter here. Counter is initially 1. Now we will keep on incrementing the counter. Simply call count node function, pass root dot left and increment the counter. And then again increment the counter for count node for root dot right. That's it. And then return counter. So this is how we can simply find out how many nodes are available in a binary tree. How it is going to work? It will simply uh, start traversing nodes one by one and keep on incrementing the counter until it gets to traverse the complete tree. Okay, so if you want to understand this, how recursion actually work in this, so just build a tree. Let's say this is the only tree that we have. Initially, we know counter is 1 and this is the root node. So first of all, it will go to the left, then increment the counter. So counter will become, so counter was already 1, now counter becomes 2. So it will see that there is nothing in the left, so get back. It will see there is nothing in the right, get back, return 0. So now we already have 2. Now it will go to the right of this node, it will see 30. So increment the counter, 2 plus 1 is, it becomes 3. So now again it will go to the left of 30, nothing is there. It will go to the right of 30, nothing is there. So at the end it is going to return you. So this is how this will work. So you will simply get in the output as. So I hope it is also clear that how do we find out the number of nodes in a